Some important and positive updates are coming to Rollercoin. Today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to show you exactly what they're going to be. Stay tuned. Okay, so some long-awaited updates are coming to Rollercoin, and I'm sure you're going to like these as well. On my screen here, you can see the Rollercoin blog Dev Diaries Volume 10, and I'm going to be leaving a link down to this article in the description below so that you can read it at your leisure. A new room item panel is coming. So, welcome to the freshest chapter of the Dev Diaries Volume 10. We've got an important update to share. You asked for it so much, and we're happy to present at last. So in summary, basically there's going to be a new slick item panel, UI and UX different for PC and mobile. There's going to be a new room items panel features, and there's going to be an auto arrange important changes in that, okay? So item panel is getting a fresh UI. We were working tirelessly to introduce this significant quality of life improvement to your experience. Now item rechange process and room management will be as smooth as it can get. Moreover, good news for mobile players as well. We are doing different flows for PC and mobile to ensure the best possible experience regardless of the device you're using. And this is awesome because on your mobile phone normally you can't really actually get those inventory items especially properly. Sometimes you tap on it and it doesn't actually register properly as well. So hopefully that's going to be a good change for mobile users. New room item panel features. We are happy to introduce a new and refreshed set of tools that will significantly ease your life while arranging the room. And this is going to be the list. Separate tabs for racks and miners. Very good. Display of item parameters. So you'll be able to view the power and bonus without placing the item in the room. So that's going to be written on the miner. So at first glance, you can say, okay, this is the highest power, this is the lowest power. You can even apply filters where you can filter them by power, bonus, rarity, and size. There's going to be a search that you can find a specific miner by its name, and you can be able to sort these by power and bonus range as well. There's going to be a convenient display of identical items. So one item will be displayed in the item panel and you see the number of copies you have on top. So for example, at the moment I've got loads of ASIC bits and GPU bit because they can't be sold. I've got like 16 of the Burge Edge or something like that. So that will just be displayed once and you won't have like a long list in the inventory panel, never ending list. You'll just have one with a number on top of how many of that miner you actually have. New information menu where all the needed numbers are visible with the possibility to remove all miners from the shelf at once. The PC version, and we're going to have a little example here in the picture below. In the PC version, you can interact with the entire room as before. That is, you can drag racks and miners to any slot. To enter item placement mode, simply click on the edit button. That's how the room will look after the update. So here it is. This is going to be the room. You're going to have rooms 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top. There's going to be an edit button, and then you can click on the edit button, and in edit mode, you'll be able to amend, as you can see in this picture right here, okay? So for each rack, you can actually configure that. You can actually place a rack here in the blank space, and this is how it's going to be. You're going to have all the racks here. It's going to be split up in racks and miners. You've got the search, you've got the filter. This is sorted by bonus power low to high, okay? So it's not actually applied low to high here because I think this is the highest one and this is the lowest one. And here it's easily showing you that, for example, in this example, there is one festive rack 6. There are two festive rack 6s there. Okay, I don't know why they're both called festive rack 6 in this example because they're different racks. This is the neon rack. I think that's just a mistake there. But anyway, they're all called festive rack 6. So they've got different names, but for the purpose of the example, this is going to appear this way, which is more neat and tidy, and you won't have like a long list, okay? You can still scroll through here and you've got miners in the other section. In the mobile version, it's going to be a little bit different. This is the way it's going to look in edit mode. So you can add more racks in your room. So room 1, okay, and then you can configure those racks like that, okay? So that's awesome. Back to the racks here, you can see the racks, and here you can see the miners, okay? So that's how the miners inventory will look as well, okay? You're gonna have just one miner and the number of how many of those miners you actually have in your inventory. Very neat and tidy. Thank you for that, Rollercoin. When all said and done, you can see the numbers clearly both for the racks and miners that we just discussed, and you can remove all miners from the shelf at once and rearrange them again, okay? So here you can see the entire rack. There are 2 Oriums and there are 2 Leprechaun, and you can just either remove them, and there's this, I think it's like a refresh or something. Unmount rack will move all items into the inventory, so if you do this, you're gonna remove all the items all at once into the inventory. At the moment, you're right clicking on the rack and doing demount, which does practically the same thing. Now, so room optimizer is coming. This is going to be very interesting. So all of you remember the auto button, which just simply places all the items in the empty slot. So if I go to my room here, and we'll see the inventory, there is this button here, auto. I've never actually used it. That would just place, I don't know if it's any miner or the best miner into empty slots, which I don't have at the moment. No empty slots, so this is grayed out. So this time it's going to be that they're going to introduce room optimizer, and it's going to be arrange miners by power from most to least, for example, or arrange miners by collection bonus from largest to smallest, or optimal, which will be set up miners and racks to arrange them to ensure the power and bonus of the miners placed on the racks yield the best results. Now, this is very important to note that Room Optimizer will be a premium feature, and it will cost RLT for you to be able to enable Room Optimizer. Okay, so new UI, UX tabs and filters will make your experience as smooth as possible, and the auto set button will neatly save time for a decent price. So this is very important as well, that rooms, so if you're going to purchase a room, at the moment you can have a maximum of 4 rooms. If you're going to purchase a room, this will now be purchased on the inventory page. The price will be increased as well. So if you want to purchase a room, I would suggest that you do it now. If I'm not mistaken, it's around 30 or 35 RLT. That was the old price at least. So now is really a good time to buy yourself some rooms for the old price. Okay, that's pretty much it for this blog. I just wanted to point this out. I'm going to leave it down, like I said, in the description below this video so that you can go through it. But these are some very important changes coming to Rollercoin when it comes to the items panel rework piece of it. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope that you found it useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.